Peltier cooling. Many have tried, and most have failed. Now it's my turn to probably fail. Arctic heard I was doing this and sent over another one of their massive coolers, and we're going to need it because these get bloody hot. I've just used all the good water blocks I have, so for the GPU, I'm going to have to improvise. We'll start with the 4060 as it has a low TDP, and if it works on that, we'll try something hotter. I've put the radiator in just to get a baseline so the water doesn't heat up forever, and once the TECs go on, I'll take it back out. That was not a good start. Now that that leak is fixed, better leak test the whole thing. It did leak. I'll loop TimeSpy just on the water loop with the radiator, and once we get a baseline temperature from that, I'll take the radiator out and we'll turn the TECs on. So after 20 minutes, the GPU peaked at 38 degrees. That's what water can do. Now let's add electricity. Ten degrees and it's still going down, but it's starting to get condensation and I didn't plan for that. Let's put some load on it and watch it probably fall apart. So from a cold start, it works, and I'm happy and surprised by that. What I'll do now is run the GPU under load, turn the TECs off, warm the loop, and then turn them back on, see if they can bring the loop temperature back down. Alright, from a warm start, it still goes sub-ambient. Not by much, and the GPU only lost 6 or 7 degrees, but that's still a win. Now if I had my way, I'd end the video here, because it's far better for my ego to end on a success than it is on a failure. But I know what the comment section will say. That's a low power card. So, 3070. Same test as the 4060, chilled loop first. If they can't hold that, they definitely aren't bringing a warm loop down. After 20 minutes, the loop was still about 2 degrees below ambient, and the GPU was 8 degrees cooler, so that's a win, I think. I'm not going to try and pull the loop down from warm now, because we know that won't work. But for those of you who are going to ask why I didn't try the TEC direct to die, I'll show you why. It's good enough to prove my point. The loop did work. Not well, not easily, and not efficiently, and only because I threw 2 massive AIOs at it. It's not worth it.